After hours of despair, after loads of attempts I've wasted on the desert air, I come around hoping to get washed away inside, to get blended into curtain in the fading light. It's a thing I can't deny. When my hopes are high, I keep singing with the wind. Let's go keeping up the way we've been. For the last 2 years we tried and cut the flow. It's a complimentary passion still, just remembering to never let it go. I come around Wednesday, after times of disarray, after bits and bytes of unauthored jabberay. I'll be around quarter to the next fulfilling two. When my head is spinning, I can't stop to think of you. It's a thing no one can know. I'll climb it up from down below with the one letting me go. For the last 2 years we tried and cut the flow. And it's a complimentary passion still, just remembering to never let it go. But the time's so hollow, I'm getting older. I'll be a fool to work the tables for a living if I don't know what I'm doing. There's a black bar in the middle of the evening. The evening. Passion still, just remembering to never let it go. Let's go keeping to the things we said. Let's hear virtue clinging on to what's gone by. When we met back in the olden days, we would sit and talk away, both you and I. Stripes. It could have been a symbol, a simple oversight. I still love the way you look tonight. We're getting high more slowly than on a normal day. You still can make out structures, and from my window I